Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Replace a missing AirPod or case if you still can't find your AirPod or charging case, or if something is damaged, get the serial number and then contact Apple support for a replacement. Then learn how to set up your replacement. You can also learn more about AirPod pricing and service options.
Take our lead.
The price for AppleCare Plus is $29, and with that, you get an extended warranty as well as coverage for accidental damage. Unfortunately, AppleCare Plus doesn't cover lost or stolen AirPods Pro, so you'll have to pay the $89 replacement fee if you lose an earbud. A lost charging case will cost you $99.
Take our lead.
Best answer: if you lose a single AirPod, you can purchase a new one from Apple. From there, you can pair the new AirPod unit to your existing one. However, the replacement must match the generation of your current AirPod.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.